Good morning. We are going to talk about a business model for the company Volvo. Um, are we presented by Sebastián Oviedo and David Reynoso.
First, we are going to talk the customer segments. This is based in all the people who are interested in our service or in our project. In this case, um, all the people who wants to buy a Volvo car are involved in this project because Volvo wants to implement the cloud service in their car. So everyone who wants to use the who wants to buy this car or those cars are going to get this service. So the value proposition for Volvo is that they will use a secure and easily accessible system for the users. This means that all the people who wants to use that service are going to be able to use easily. And the other one is to be one of the first brands to implement the cloud in their cars. And we all know that Tesla is the father of all of those things. So they want to implement for a low price for the normal people. I mean, the Tesla cars are so expensive. So but the Volvo cars could be less expensive or more cheaper than that Tesla car. So and the other one to be associated with one of the largest companies in telecommunications such as Ericsson. So they when they use Ericsson as their partner, they are offering a good service because Ericsson is one of the biggest companies in the world about when we talk about telecommunications.
The third step is the channels. That is the buyers and sellers can be entered in this. And the company Ericsson provides its users a unique experience and in addition to the security they offer.
Revenue streams when the cloud system is implemented in Bumble because people will be more interested in the brand in the brand because all the all of those brands that already use this system are expensive, like Tesla, BMW, Volvo, no, Audi are expensive. So when Volvo use this or implement this, the people will see that it's more cheaper than those of the brands. So Volvo will be an accessible brand for the people. So the people will be more interested in Volvo cars than another cars because they implement this.
The fifth step is the customer relationship. The cloud-enabled services and application is that offered by Volvo, and this serves the application such as Google Maps or Waze, as well as games or videos for passengers to enjoy a different experience. And this propose the scalability, the security, and the flexibility. The scalability is the aspect that quite important as the system will tend to remain in place for a longer period of time. In the safety aspect, it is nothing new that Volvo is concerned about the welfare of people, positioning itself as one of the safest brands as far as vehicles are concerned. And in the last aspect, the flexibility is based on the fact that this technology can be adapted to different vehicles, that cars, vans, trucks, and among others.
So the key activities that they will gonna do is improving the cloud technology every day. So they will be updated in the cloud technology, improve the availability. So um, everyone can use the system in everywhere. Improve the user interface so the people can use it more easily for them.
The seventh step is the key resource, and that is the resource to be implemented to the company. In this case, Volvo implements cloud technology in these vehicles.
The key partnership that they will gonna do or use is they gonna do a partnership with Ericsson. They're gonna use the Volvo Cars IST and IT group. So all the engineers in the company in those case, and the Volvo vehicle line manager, and that's it.
And the last step is the cost of structure. The Ericsson network have more than 2.5 billion of subscribers, and in 2011, Volvo made a profit to the 35 billions of dollars. The cost structure, then both the companies began successful. Volvo profits are expected to increase by a good percentage by offering its user more than just safety. A useful dead spring like any smart home.